caught my one fish, I'm happy.
Well, I guess we can just drop you back off at the dock.
We have to swim. I know that water is warm.
76 degrees.
Amazing. 1,000,000 degrees all year. So. Yeah, I know, but I'm going to look for these people.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, got another one, Joe.
There you go, Joe. And now we're coming up to the waypoint.
Another one.
We'll give it to the guys in front of us.
Small mouth.
That's just down there, Dave.
Hey, you what's going on with fish? That untangle, that pole there? First, now you gotta do is lead it. Get him. Yeah, the depth grip wasn't the problem, just the hookup was the problem.
You gotta keep your rod tipped up, bud.
Pretty close. Might be 15. A little one. Might be 15 though.
Whoa, Rory. Rory. You got the line. Dave, without one.
Got it?
Sorry.
Real close.
Joe, you might have something on that pole. That's all she said.
You know, I don't know. Have you showed up?
Yeah,
I wonder where he gets it from.
Mikey was calling everyone he could think of to go. He goes, I'll call home and see if my sister's boyfriend's there. He'll want to go. Of course, Kenny answers. Just me and Shawn. You want to go? Sure.
Can you hear in the background someone yelling? Gotta get out of here, little fish.
Joe, that's a fish. That's a walleye. Push forward. Slide it out. Yeah. Hey, why don't you get the one off the back corner?
There we go. Hey, they got a wally?
Yeah, I got one. Here's it.
I thought it was pretty good. We're in Cancun at a boat, no, not too much bigger than this.
A little bit bigger.
Yeah.
Had a picnic table downstairs.
Yeah,
You see when I slept down there?
It had a terrible diesel engine in it that was just bleeding diesel fuel. Well, you got two rods. You got two rods you're working.
I ain't working. Dave ain't working on one. I got one rod. That's Nick's extra roll. I only need one.
The bottom one's going to put in That's no bottom.
That could be at the fish.
Come on, we're in them now. Come on, let's do the triple header.
Wally?
Get up, walk back.
Walk back.
Little walleye.
Well, good swim back.
No, he might be 15. No, I doubt that. No, I'm telling you. 15's a lot smaller. I'll bet 15 easy. Yeah, he is.
Prime hole?
That's easy. Prime hole. Joe, that's good eating.
That's the one you want. That's the one you want. You want them good eating small ones. Them big ones are cooked.
Yeah, he's grabbing the bird.
Got it? Thank you, sir.
Yeah, with pleasure, just in case. $14 and a quarter. Oh,
Come on. Try. You rock the boat, Dave?
keep him out of here. I sweat too hard to fucking make this kind of money.
Roy, back full. You got one there. Stop talking to Panther. That's something there.
Oh! God damn it. I walked that.
You did walk that.
God damn it, that thing was fucking huge. That was a wire. Purple. I was far out. I mean. First wall hanger of the day. I did everything Nick told me to do. I wanted to try to walk it back.
You did it perfect, too.
Nick can have a full lot of finger now.
Yeah, I had it as hard as it goes. Oh, because that one wouldn't fit in the cooler. I swear to God, their mouth is that big. Their mouth is that big. Huge.
They just had his mouth open.
Yeah, whole time.
That's why I got off.
Whole time.
Bunny ended up taking him home and dropping him off and coming back.
That's the big one. You got to play around.
What? There's stuff too. John, yours is in there, jerky cheese only. Yeah.
Thank you.
Uh-oh. Nice fish. What are you speaking about?
That rabbit.
Got him? Yeah, he got something. He's fighting.
Other side for him.
There you go.
Get him in the boat. Get him in the boat.
Walk backwards. Walk back there.
Oh yeah,
I'm trying to swoop it like that. Go. Forward first, mate.
all right.
Am I done now? Am I done now?
Give me a hot spot.
Am I done now?
They must have taken a nap already.
I got my two in the bucket there.
Very good.
You want to try to get it?
No, she got on. Go.
When we just took off the listen.
Oh, Dave's taking his shirt off. Maybe coming down. I took my shirt off, but I'm not fishing. I've been tanning for 20 minutes now.
Thank you, bro. You're a good man. Told you that move.
So when we come out here, we catch 4, 2, 3, 4.
Because they can't catch them. That's the problem.
I go, I don't know what you're talking about.
That's a hot rod! Boy, that's a hot rod! I'm counting half of that one. I gave that rod to him. All right, catch up the damn thing. There you go. That's good eating.
Goddamn son of a...
There you go. Keep going.
What color is that again?
Gold. Gold! It's been on the whole time. It's on, that's like it's east.
I gotta change that.
It's just weird because last year these 2 rods outperformed all the rest.
Is it outside maybe?
I don't know. I don't know if
Outside?
I mean,
You know what?
Oh yeah, it is.
Listen, but that one hasn't hit today either.
that one hasn't
The
hit.
first one.
But yesterday we came out here and they hit the first 4 fish. And I was weird. Boom, boom, boom. One place down there, boom, walleye. Takes that one, it's down there, perch. Takes that one up, way down there.
That's 40.
That's the limit.
One of us is done fishing. I'll let you get through.
One of us what?
Done fishing. I'll let you get through.
Apparently it's Dave.
He's never got started. I'm waiting till all the amateurs get done, then I'll start fishing.
Well, if you're done fishing, you got 6 fish you got to take.
What do you do? Go right underneath the gills and squeeze them like that?
Yeah, right behind the head.
Because I was...
You're looking at the station. Yeah, so we don't shoot.
Yeah.
There's just nothing you're going to do that's going to mess it up unless the rod tip up with a slack in it, or you try to keep the fish down inside the water as much as possible with the pressure on it, and that's all you can do. And hopefully the guy with the net gets a good scoop and puts it in the boat. Other than that, the boat right there.
Hey, Rory!
Pull that up and put it out. Right over the walleye.
Oh, good. Well, he always calling it out.
That's a little guy. That might be a bad. Bird. Yellow bird.
Yeah, look at that. Wow.
Take it.
There's about 6 more of them.
Oh, that's a keeper.
Hell yeah. That's a good noise.
What does Mike call that?
Pumpkin.
No, it's a cutter. It's a cutter. It's a cutter. Big enough to put a knife to it.
Yeah, that's a good bird.
Oh, yeah. He acts like that.
Shawn?
Get the net.
Really?
Shut up. Let's go when we fish up. What is it?
Oh, he snagged him.
Oops, there's definition.
Get him?
Yep.
Oh, he's only a foot long.
He's 15.
Yeah, that's 12.
He's about 14.
He
Measure him.
There's a good snag in the side. He's got a little hunter in the side.
He's too small.
14.
I knew that one hit before. You know that? Look at that Rory. He thought he had one. He's fighting the weeds.
I'm fighting weeds. You got fish on? We'll do that.
I knew that hit already.
Is it?
I'm tired of making these rods work. People.
Yes.
Oh! That thing hit like about. Well, it looks like I hit like about 3 minutes ago.
That's my driving skills.
I'm sitting staring at it going, oh, was that a fake one?
Fake worm. Purple one, too. Fake worm? Fake worm. No kidding.
Any rod.
All you gotta do is touch the rod, huh, Joe?
I set it up, put it out there, spin on it. There you go.
That's fucking great.
Listen, they're looking.
Yeah, because no one's ever going to look there.
Give me that back. This spot. No, get the, you gotta get the reel.
That's how I watched him. That's how he did it. Towards now.
Oh, you have the reel between the
Yeah?
No?
What do you want this for?
Pick up, put the reel in between where'd you get that fish there, Gabe?
Oh, I think that will.
Oh, you what?
Right there.
Oh,
What it is.
Oh! I can't believe it's caught one on him. Drop it!
That's the one, that's my pole.
Drop it!
Finally.
Use that hook.
Look at that pole with you, man.
I don't think it's long enough.
It's long enough.
That's 15.
That's a baby.
That's 16 and a half.
This mammo's looking at it.
Oh, I almost lost him.
Oh, he's fine.
Yeah. Back in him.
This is,
I knew that pole was getting more. Nice
let's
measure.
measure that. That don't look like 13. Wow. Good enough. I got to put out the